Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Happy Birthday, Tracy at Mental Mama. This is an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Carolyn Archer. Our theme was foils, fluid art, floral. I'm going to be using Zoya, and this is Jet. There we go. Beautiful. It's an unusual polish. And introducing my Red Iguana full posable silicone hand, and she is called Miss Lucy. So there we go. We're gonna get that kind of going on there. Now Jet is an unusual polish. It's kind of got some chunky glitters or whatever in it. Hi Woody, how you doing? Kind of like shards of metal. I don't know. It's strange. And that is exactly why I bought it. So Miss Lucy's going to get to show it off today. Get my second coat of Jet on here. Get Woody back out again. There we go. Pretty pretty. I'm going to top this with I&M's out the door. Gonna get it to dry down because we got some playing to do. Got lots of playing to do, actually. I mean, like a lot of playing. Pretty. Be using Maniology, Class Clown, and Dance Legend, Black Spotted, and a big fat stamper. And I'm using my little mat. I'm putting down some of the pink polish first. And then I'm going to start going in with drops of the spotted and the pink. So we're just going to get crazy with it here. Just drops on top of drops on top of drops. Whew. I don't know if it's hot where you're at, but I'm telling y'all, up in here, it is hot. Alright. Looks pretty on the mat, just like that. I love it. And I'm still doing drops, sorry. Sorry. Alright, gonna smush down, pick it up, and smush down, pick it up again. And let's see what's on the stamper. Yeah, that looks pretty fluid to me. There's some fluid art going on there. And I've got something on my mat that I could use too. So I'm going to set this aside to dry. Alright, so I'm going to do another one, but I'm going to do it just in the drop form without putting out some of the pink polish first. Just drops on top of the drops, just right there in one spot. And you can do these kind of decals or smushies all sorts of different ways. Just you'll find something that you like or works for you, and you'll run with it. Alright, so I'm breaking out another stamper, and it's trying to come apart on me. So I smush down once, and I'm going to turn it and twist it while I smush down and see what we get from that. I can see some cells developing. I am going to top these over with some of the Wet n Wild Clear. It works the best for decals. It is my favorite. It stays so pliable. And it doesn't shrink when it dries. It looks pretty good. I am cleaning my brush off on a paper towel. I'll be using this Maniology plate today. I don't remember which one it is. Sorry, I didn't catch it. And I'll be using Pearl Green Sticky Stamping Polish from She Modern. And I've got some green foils. And I'm going to wipe over the back of it with some acetone. Just clean that whatever's on the back. I don't know what it is. All right, I got my Maniology scraper out and a cube stamper. Oh, get that film off of there. Clean it real quick with some acetone. I'm wiping over it with a lint-free wipe, and here we go. So we're gonna scrape. And remember, this is that sticky stamping polish, so you don't have to be in an all-fire hurry. I'm going to pick up the image. and apply it to Miss Lucy's fingernail here. And since it's the sticky stamping polish, I'm going to take the time to do some cleanup. Cleaned my stamper off on a lint roller. The stamping plate got cleaned with pure acetone. And now I'm going to clean up around Miss Lucy's cuticles so that we can get her all cleaned up. Because I don't want that foil sticking to the skin, quote-unquote skin area. Just like I wouldn't want it on me. I don't want it on Miss Lucy either. And then just go in tapping in the foils. They say don't push and rub. They just say tap it in. So that's what I'm doing. Ooh, that's so pretty. Alright, so we're going to do some more of this. Gonna get some more. Very pretty. Excellent pickup. I love these She Modern sticky stamping polishes. They are just so fun to work with. And I love that you don't have to be in a hurry. They work so well. If you got one of those honorary plates that's maybe not etched so well, you might want to try checking on some of these polishes, because they even work on some of the not so great etched plates. Cleaning up around that cuticle area real quick. And I do like the red iguana hand. I'm going to throw this in real quick. I wouldn't recommend the posable one, though. I've used mine twice, and the wire has poked all the way through the thumb. And I was not mistreating it. I guarantee you. I was not being rough with it. So, it's an excellent hand. Love how it looks real, but get the non-posable. I'm going to top these nails with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Now, I know with all this bling and everything, you can't see the design on it. It'll be okay. Maybe you'll be able to see it later. So, I'm trying to peel up some of this decal up off of my little mat here. I'm using a cuticle tool to kind of go in up under it and then just peel it up easily. These are all nice and dry. And I'm going to trim them down with my little nippy scissors. They're called thread nippers. And get this kind of down to size, because I don't want to have to do too much cleanup on the posable hand. I'm going to put some of the Maniology sticky base on this nail that I'm applying the decal to. Now, I know you're saying, Tina, why didn't you do the foil if you're going to cover it up? Oops. But see, I was only supposed to cover up half the nail. Girl lost her mind, got all carried away playing. So now we're going to go in with that cuticle tool and try to break away some of this excess. Not that her skin's going to get tore up by the acetone cleanup, but this is how I would do my regular nails, my nails. So that's how I'm going to do it on her too. Plus it gives me practice in case I ever get to play on anybody else's nails, which hadn't happened in a while. So, alrighty. Alright, so continuing working on this nail that I covered all the way up. It would look so pretty if I'd have just done half the nail. Oh, hate that I did that. I did a little trimming with my scissors, and I'm going to go on in with the acetone and my cleanup brush. Tap, tap, tap on the flat side of the brush across the edge there. Get it to smooth out. Because, when Lucy goes to wash her hair, I don't want, this nail polish to get caught up in her hair. I want it to be smooth across the end. I know, you guys probably are thinking, girl, she's so crazy. Yeah, I'm having me one of those days. One of those crazy days. So pretty. Okay, I'm going to be using AO21 water decals. I probably got this from AliExpress or something. I don't know. See how I did the pointer finger? That's how I meant to do the pinky. So we're going to try to get these on the nails. You guys know I struggle with some decals. They're really easy. They're really pretty, but your girl here always has trouble with them. I mean, just craziness. But part of it is I was trying to get all of the elements to the theme involved in this manicure. And this is what I ended up with. And I decided, okay, I'm going to end it off with some water decals. They're just sliding all over the place. But it's going to be okay. We're going to get through it. And it's going to be a pretty manicure for our dear friend Tracie. By the way, down below, I should have a hashtag for Instagram for you to go check out all the beautiful manicures that we've all gotten together and done for Miss Tracie. And I will have a list of participants as well down there. So don't forget to go check them out if you do Instagram. See, look at the girl. Can y'all believe I even show this stuff? I mean, seriously, have you ever seen anybody struggle so hard with something so simple? I'm telling you. And I know, put it on a stamper. Okay, y'all have tried that too. It don't work for me. I am going to tap over all of these with the paper towel just to get up any excess water that might still be lingering around, because I don't want it bubbling up my top coat and stuff. I do have a little piece sticking off the side, so I'm going to melt that away with the acetone here. And then, finally, she made it. We're going to top these with the Seche Vite. Yay! Going to do some topping and capping the edges and all of that stuff. Getting Woody back out here. Woody, busy guy. You'd think me doing somebody else's hand, I wouldn't be so messy, but honestly, I'm just as messy on Lucy's hand as I am on my own. So, there we go. Gonna get these top coated so I can get my swatch photos so I can share that with you. But I really did enjoy this prompt. I enjoy the doing the collabs because you get to see everybody's take on a theme, and to me that's just always so fun. Sometimes I see manicures and I'm like, ooh, I've got to recreate that. I need to do that one. So that's always fun. Alrighty, she's all glossied up. Look at there. Alright, get Woody back out. One more encore. And we'll be done with this manicure. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about my manicure. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.